What's up, guys? Today I want to share with you about keyword research tools and how you can analyze metrics that keyword research tools provide with you, because some of them can confuse, some of them can provide great results with data. So stay tuned to learn more about that and watch this video until the end to know exactly how you can use keyword research tools. I love using tools, and I'm using them every single day. Many different tools, free, freemium, paid tools, anything. Because even free tools can provide some unique features that paid tools can't. So you don't need to ignore them, and it's better to combine data from free and paid tools as well. And let me share some metrics that you can find on keyword research tools. The most popular metric is volume, but this metric is not only popular, it's more confusing metrics as well. I can explain why. Because volume is estimation. It's not exactly the number of clicks that you can get from your specific keywords. And Google shares this metric just to show the past data. But some searchers and without clicks, even more than 50% of all searches don't provide any clicks. So for example, if you search on Google Elon Musk net worth, you can users can find interesting to them data. Even in Google highlights, they don't need even to search on Google. If they search on Google, Google can share more insights about that, so people don't need to click anything, any websites. For example, if you are looking for branded keywords, in most cases Google lists some official websites in the first position, so people are not looking for other positions. Okay, you can create some content for branding keywords. For example, if you rank your keyword in the top 10 results, you can learn your competitors' impressions, for example, or to provide some pages with review or analogs. Yeah, it's popular today, and you can lead your this traffic to your products, and yeah, why not, you can do it. But in most cases, branded keywords don't provide clicks as well, except official websites. If you search for local SEO, and many metrics on volume can show anything, but it doesn't mean that people are not looking for your products in your specific area. That's okay if you have no data with volume. For local SEO, for example, plumber in Miami, or I don't know, any other regions, because for local SEO, you don't need to consider it. Just create content for specific keywords, because volume can show zero, but people are looking for your products in most cases, and Google doesn't share this data with us. Volume is estimation. Some paid tools can provide the estimation of clicks with volume, but you can consider it or ignore it. Just learn more about your customers and create content for them. The second metric, cost per click. This metric is the average cost of click that companies are paying on Google Ads. And yes, I love this metric because it can show the user intent, e-commerce content. For example, if cost per click is high, that means you can get more sales to rank such keywords. I love this metric, analyze it, and the metric about potential traffic can show how traffic you can get if you rank your content in the top 10 results. You can find this metric on Ahrefs, SEMrush, or any other tools. Just learn from this metric. And we have some other metrics as well. You can analyze them. For example, like user intent, to learn what type of content you need to create, in info content, e-commerce content, or anything else. Yeah, it's very important today, because you can't manipulate search system with irrelevant content as well. Learn all these metrics and think how you can get results in the top 10 results. And you can find these metrics on free and paid tools as well. For example, I love more using paid tools because they provide a lot of data, but free tools like I don't know, like Answer the Public freemium tool can share some questions with your specific keywords. You can use Google Keyword Planner to analyze some data. this specific region and find some interesting keywords or long tail keywords. But in most cases, paid tools can share a lot more keywords with your specific keywords. You know, for example, if you search weight loss, you can find many different areas like how to lose weight loss supplements, and many others. Just learn from all these metrics to understand what type of content you need to create and choose priorities. Don't try to cover everything. Choose priorities because it's very important to create less but quality. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below. Ask me anything in the comment sections. I will reply to all your questions and see you next time. Cheers!